Hey there, DIYers. So I always have the problem of I'm out working on something and I realize I need to have my safety glasses or my reading glasses, and they're always just like in one location, and sometimes it's too far away for me to get to, or it's not available at all because I'm traveling or whatever. So what I've done is made it simple, and hopefully this will simplify your life as well, make it easier. So because I have reading glasses and they're just like 1.5s, I literally just bought like a dozen pair of them, and I've put them in all the different locations that I have tools and where I work. So I've got actually a couple pair in my truck, got one in the car, got in each of my sheds, in the house, in the basement, everywhere that I could possibly be, I have at least a pair of reading glasses and a pair of safety glasses. So you can go online and like Amazon or wherever, Temu, and you can buy like both safety glasses and reading glasses by the dozen for very inexpensive. So for the trouble that it would save you from having to go run to get your main pair, it just is very beneficial. Of course, you do always have your best favorite pair, the expensive ones that you buy. Those are always available, but man, for quick access, for being able to get the job done, that's what I suggest. Is just go and get extras and spread them out, have them around, and you'll certainly appreciate it. I know I do. Anyway,